Hey guys, you're hanging with Minecraft Maniac 199, and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your super flat world in Minecraft. As you can see, I have a layer of yellow wool, then 30 blocks of airspace, I think, and then this is all downwards facing pistons. And then I have a layer of redstone torches, which is probably causing some lag. Wonder how much lag this will turn off. Not much. Whatever, doesn't matter. And then a layer of bedrock. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's pretty cool for custom maps. So what you would do, I don't need that world anymore, is you would create a new world and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna call mine creative because I'm gonna be playing in creative mode. Then you go to more world options. By the way, this does not require any mods, any world edit, MC edit, whatever. Vanilla Minecraft. It's pretty cool. I don't like generating structures on mine. And then the main thing that you want to do is change it to super flat. And then you go to customize. And as you can see, the default super flat customization is 1 layer of grass, 2 layers of dirt, and then 1 piece of bedrock. But you can change that. And all the code for that is right up here. So you want to delete all that. And you're going to need a list of ID numbers, because you're going to need the block ID for everything. Instead of just typing in, like, if I wanted bedrock, I couldn't do that. I'd have to type in the ID number for bedrock, which is 7. If you want 1 layer, you can just type the number, or you can do 1 layer of 7. The X means of, and I'll explain that as I type. So I want 1 layer of 7, so I can just type 7, which 7 is bedrock, and then a comma separates the blocks. I'm not fully informed of this, so... Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm not fully informed about this, so I don't know what, like, that does and stuff, like the semicolon does. But, so I want layer of bedrock, then maybe some sponge, I don't know. No, I want, like, 5. Okay, so, here's another point in here that's very editable. What you do is, if you want more than 1 layer of something, you would type how many layers you want of it, and then an X, and then the ID number. And then you'd put another comma, so maybe I want, let's do water. Maybe like 10 layers of water. And then we can do 30 blocks of airspace. Airspace is 0, in case you don't see that on your ID list. Then maybe I'll bring up the last topic. I do not suggest using blocks like mushrooms or flowers, because what will happen is, if you do use them, this happened to me once, if you do use them, they will spawn, and then they will break, and then they will cause humongous lag, and then your Minecraft will crash. So don't type in the comments to me, "Hey, my Minecraft crashed, thanks a lot, noob, unsubscribe." No, don't do that. Okay? Not cool. So finally, what I'm going to show you is the fact that you can get colored wool, like I had yellow wool. So the original ID for wool is 35. I only want 1 layer, so say I want magenta, I think that is, purple? I think that's purple or magenta, I'm not sure. But, so 35, you type in 35 because that's the wool ID, and then you would put a colon, and then there should be like little exponent numbers on your Minecraft ID list. If not, find a better one. Next to the wools, that shows you the indicator of what color it is. So if I wanted magenta, it's 10, and then you just click use preset. Oh, it's purple, whatever. So yeah, just like I wanted it. 1 layer of bedrock, sponge, 5 layers, water, 10, air, 30, purple wool, 1. Then you just click done, and create your new world. There's a couple more things like villages and strongholds that you can add to this, but I'm not a big fan of them. Turn my particles back. So, my 1 layer of purple wool, my 30 blocks of airspace, my sponge, my 5 layers of sponge, my 10 layers of water, and finally, my 1 layer of bedrock. By the way, if you're wondering why this water is not updating, it's because it is the block ID 8 instead of 9. 8 is still water, and 9 is flowing water. So, sometimes it's weird. Like, sometimes it'll freak out the water. Sometimes it doesn't let you play sponge! For crying out loud! What about SpongeBob? He needs to live in there. Why won't you let me put him there? Silly water. So, yeah, that's how you make your superflat world. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave you with that one last note. SpongeBob.